In this video, I will share a fast way you can boost your YouTube views dramatically using my AI secret strategy. If you are looking for a simple way to get more views on YouTube and grow your YouTube channel fast, this video is for you, so stick with me till the end. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. I've been a full-time online marketer almost since the start of the internet. YouTube marketing videos are a key part of my success. Hey, before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So you can make all the YouTube videos you want, but it doesn't mean a thing unless those videos get a lot of views by your target audience. Recently, I found a way to use AI to get more views on my YouTube videos. Let me explain my strategy. It's something anyone can copy to get more views. But first, you need to have a clear picture of your niche. You know who your target market is and what you want your videos to accomplish. For example, in my business, most of my YouTube videos drive viewers to a lead capture page. More specifically, my business is about helping people make more money to create both time and money freedom and live a dream lifestyle. And that's what my videos are about. Once you zero in on that, you are ready for my AI strategy to help create YouTube videos that get more views. There are 3 areas where I lean on AI to get more views and save time: creating YouTube video titles, descriptions, and the actual scripts for the videos. And by far, the most important of these is the video title. Creating better titles will boost your YouTube views faster than anything else. And by the way, I use another great tool to generate the best tags for my videos, you know, the keywords that help get videos found and viewed. I will be sharing that tool in an upcoming video, so be sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss it. And right up front, let me emphasize that AI is never the end solution. I use AI for ideas. Do not make the mistake of just running with AI-generated content. It always smells like AI. Google and YouTube will not like it. Take what AI gives you and put it in your own words. You'll get far better results. Now, there are a number of AI tools. The one I use most of the time is ChatGPT. It's free and simple to use. It's what I'm using in these examples. So here's the prompt I use for creating YouTube titles. You can pause this video and write it down or screenshot it. The prompt is what you ask the AI tool to do. So here it is. Please write 10 YouTube video titles using targeted long-tail keywords that would be heavily searched by YouTube viewers looking for information about, and then just fill in whatever you want your video to be about. Now, let's jump over to ChatGPT and try it out. Okay, here we are at ChatGPT, where it says Message ChatGPT is where you type in the prompt. So let's do that. I've copied it to the clipboard so it'll be easy to do. Here are the 10 title suggestions it gave me. I like some better than others, but what a great way to get some terrific ideas. Again, I don't use these word for word, but it sure makes life easier. It saves a lot of time and it helps me create better titles that lead to more views. Check it out. I think you'll like the way it works. Similarly, here's how I use AI to get ideas for my YouTube video scripts. I use a prompt similar to this one. And again, feel free to pause the video to write it down or screenshot it. Please write an engaging YouTube video script for the following title, and then plug your title in. Make it about 5 minutes long. Start with a question instead of a standard intro. Please make it highly SEO optimized. Now for this example, I'm going to use the first title suggested in the list of titles that we just created. But again, you should always get the title in your own words, but I'll use it as is so you can see where it came from. Let's try it and see what it gives you. Let's jump over to ChatGPT. I've saved the prompt to my clipboard. Let me paste it in, hit enter, it'll start creating the script. And here's the script AI created. Again, use this for your own ideas, get it in your own words. But this can boost your YouTube views dramatically while saving a ton of time and hassle. We'll sit back and let this run for just a minute, but you can see how powerful it is. It really gives you a ton of good ideas. It'll take it about one more minute and the script will be done. And then I'm going to take that script, plug it into my word processor, and edit it down to exactly what I want. But this whole script was written in just about a minute, thanks to the power of AI. It's really cool. Okay, lastly, here's a way to use AI to create YouTube video descriptions. I use a prompt like this one. Please create a short description explaining why people should watch my YouTube video based on using the exact keywords, and then fill in the keywords. Now, I've built a list of keywords using the other tool that I mentioned, and again, I'll be doing a video on that soon, so stay tuned. Let's go back to ChatGPT one more time. I'm going to paste the prompt in with the keywords, and here's the description that it creates. As before, rework it in your own words, but the key words are critical. Don't lose them. Now, in all of these examples, it's important to tell AI exactly what you want. You'll get the best results by being specific. Play with AI a bit. Each time I use it, it gets easier. It works terrific. So I hope this helps you get more views on your YouTube videos. If you do have any questions, please let me know. And by the way, if you are at a point where you're looking for time and money freedom in your life, check out what I do. I can show you how to build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. You can learn more at my website, makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.